Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jimmy1.
And I'm Jimmy2 behind the camera.
Today we're out here doing our first bigger upgrade to the RV. We did a faucet in the bathroom, which we'll show you later. But we're gonna put the new RVLock on here, the electronic, the version 4 with the key fob. All these RVs are like key to like, so almost anybody can get in your RV. So this is for safety and security. And it's a quick install, so let's show you what's in the box and we'll get that installed.
Okay, so we're just gonna do a quick unbox here so you can see everything that's in it. So, instructions.
First thing we get, how to program your key fob and keyboard. You have all their different locks and coupon for 10% off. So that might be good if you got more than one lock you need. Let's pull out this lock. Yeah, pretty, got some weight to it. Nice metal too. It comes with the key fob, your strike plates, and a couple keys. So looks pretty simple. So let's go over to the door, take the old one out, and we'll get this slapped in there.
We had a few audio issues on this clip, so I'm going to be giving you guys a voiceover. After making sure that the screen door is closed and the door is completely open, we're going to take the 4 screws out of the door handle. Once the screws are off, you can pull off the handle, and then you're going to take the 2 screws off of the strike plate. With the strike plate off, simply pull out the handle. Next, we're going to put the new handle into the door. It's very important to make sure that the cable goes through first, and you make sure that the deadlock is completely closed, otherwise it won't fit in the slot. With the handle in place, install the strike plate, making sure that the handle doesn't fall. With the inside handle, make sure the 2 plugs are connected, and also make sure that the lock is in unlocked position so it matches the deadbolt and the handle can be put on properly. When the handle's in place, install the 4 screws. With the screws in, now it's time to check the lock on the door and make sure that it properly functions. Now that we got the handle here, we're going to program it, put the code in here. So this is pretty straightforward. So from the factory, all you're going to do is hold the 8 button down and then press the lock, and you'll hear a loud beep. Perfect. And then you're going to type in the factory code, 1, 2, 3, 4, lock. And then you're going to type in your new code. So for the test's sake,
Let's just do the 2s for GB2 Tech.
Lock, and then do it again. Loud beep means we're programmed, so you can test that. So let me get to see the lock there while you type in the code. Okay, functions just like it should, and gives you a beep to let you know that it completely activated. And unlock, so we're good there. All right, so for programming the remote, it's pretty straightforward. There's a few buttons on the back of this. We have an on and off switch, a fob learn, and a code reset. Code reset will be good for if you need to change your passcode. It'll take it right back to the factory 1234 in case you, I don't know, for some reason had an issue or forgot your code.
If you forgot your code, you use your key to get in, and then you can just press that and reset it.
So for this sake, we're just going to hit the fob learn button. You can hit this
We're
with
gonna turn it on first.
Okay.
Boom.
You got me.
Then press fob learn. And then press the lock on your key fob. The long beep means it accepted it. All right, now let's test it and see if it comes up. There it goes. Boom, it's working.
Awesome.
These have awesome warranties too. If you have any issues with them, you contact them. Their customer service is good. So I'm sure you've seen them in the industry before, but there you go, guys. Quick, simple install. It's a nice upgrade.
Just as an additional part of the video that we wanted, well, he was talking about earlier, was the faucet change. So this was the original faucet that came with this in the bathroom. It's kind of weird. It's like backwards what you would think of a standard like on and off. And it's really pretty flimsy. I mean, this weighs like absolutely nothing. So we installed this new one. A lot better. This kind of matches the kitchen, so it's, you know, aesthetically pleasing, but it also gives you more space, because you can imagine when this was down here, you had very little room to actually move or wash your hands. You'd always hit this, or you'd be putting your hand too close and blast water towards the back. So definitely recommend a new faucet like this. This one also turns out of the way, which is nice. So if you needed to have more room in the sink for something, if you were plugging this, you also have that room. And then you also have really good knobs, very comfortable.
Nice and smooth.
Yep. So we just wanted to show you guys that as another little project we did. Thank you everybody for joining us for another Jimmy 2 Tech video. This one was pretty short, but it was a good addition for this RV. If you guys haven't already, I'll throw it up to the top. Make sure you check out this RV tour. This is pretty elegant.
Yeah, it's a nice tour. Yeah, like you said, if you haven't checked it out, please do. If you are interested in anything we had in our video, the faucet, the lock, anything, we will leave links in the description for you guys. That does help support our channel, because it's probably an Amazon link, right?
Oh, yeah, affiliate.
Yeah, affiliate link. So that does
all
help.
the support we can get. Support the Jimmies.
Support the Jimmies.
Make sure you hit the like button. If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that little bell notification. We appreciate it. Plus, you can see a lot more of the videos that we have coming out.
We got a lot of them.
Yeah, we have a lot more coming out here. COVID was slowing some things down, but we're starting to get a good routine.
And we got a lot of stuff ordered, so as that's coming in, we're going to shoot the videos for you guys. You'll see those coming. Lots of upgrades to the RV, plus we got some more planned for the truck. So
any questions, drop them below. I'll get to them as fast as I can, because I am the comment wizard.
Yeah, he answers all the comments. If it's something that's a question he don't know, I research it and figure it out for you guys.
And I think that pretty much sums up everything.
Pretty much. So
thanks for watching.
Yeah, thanks for watching, and try something new.
Do a little bit of everything.
Whenever your heart is broken.